Ferocious player, and he looks ferocious.
Did he miss it?
He's out.
Yeah, he did go nice. Nice, sir. He's got. Thanks, Tim.
Some kind of chemical that gets me high.
So it's vodka marinated.
Oh, that's a lift.
Yeah, it is a lift.
You got no one, Paul.
Nice job.
That's a perfect pass on the jump shot.
Nice.
That's nice, sir.
No one. Get behind. Come on. Yes, move it. Light. Hit it.
Nice, sir.
Light.
If it was windy, that serve would be impossible to.
No worries. Hey, we got some.
There's some more ice cream out right there.
Out. Hey. Overline. Oh, bro.
Turn.
Switch, guys. 11-10.
Oops.
Line.
He came over to Mallory. He came over to Mallory. We played some games with some local guys.
Yeah, you said he was pissing off the locals.
No,
and,
he pissed everybody.
That's out. That's out. Come on, Paul.
Light.
That guy doesn't look tall enough to be able to block.
No.
There we go. Bring it home. Come on, Paul. Wow.
It's on the right
Is it some
side.
Chinese dude, right? They don't now. I heard somebody bought it.
Yeah. Right here.
I love the short court.
That's a nice set. By 2 feet. If you're, but he was
Nice.
Nice, sir.
I was telling him, he was kind of shy. What position you like? Oh, he missed it. He missed it. Nice. Lens. See the back set. You never see that kind of shit come out of juice. All right.
Nice tool. You got net. Yeah, he knows.
I went back to Maui and I got these darkest that they make.
Because what it is, it's circulating all the different. It's a rapidly oil rig.
All right. I'll probably forget. I might have to Facebook you and ask you what it is because it worked pretty good. And they were cheap. They were like $10. Oh, we hit it out.
Oh no.
I can probably wear them when you drive at night. If I wear these at night, I mean, Uh-oh, that's it.
Nice set.
Yes, Gus.
Coming to the... Yeah. I would say he was gay, except he's got a very hot wife,
Nope.
so there's no way he can be
What are
gay.
you talking about? Parker. Parker. You've got to be kidding me.
What's he calling?
You've got to be fucking
On the Samoans?
Parker. Are you serious? Are you serious? Fuck, dude.
Well, he does it perfect. Oh, I can read the label. Oh, neat. Back set.
Out.
Hits it out.
God.
No problem. There you go. Great serve.
Go, Mike, 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 Mike!
Good 8.
I'm pretty sure. Nice set.
Go, Mike!
Nice line. Nice line.
Deep big leg, hit it! Out there! Hold on.
Come on, Paul.
Go!
That's a big block for a guy that's, you know, what is he?
Heads up.
Line.
No. Good ball.
No! Yeah!
Woo!
I keep it plugged in all the time.
Yes!
I keep it plugged in all the time so that way it's always fully charged.
Yeah, would you tell my old Polaroid didn't have batteries?
No, Marissa. Oh, float. Oh, come on!
Yeah, that was bad.
I think he does that triple on purpose.
Yes.
Got it. Yes! Michael Brunson!
That was a hitter's error.
Same point.
Bang it.
There it is.
Banged it into the block.